Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a perfect square, and at the same time we're going to practice our crochet signs and crochet charts. So now I'm going to show you the pattern, how it will look like in a picture. So that's what it will look like, and you kind of won't understand it, but it's actually really easy. So the plus signs mean the single crochet and the circle means a magic ring. So, and then I'm going to show you what other things mean. So first of all, we're going to start with a magic ring, which is kind of looks like a circle, which is basically is a circle. So that's how I make my magic ring, and more about how to make a magic ring in single crochets you can watch on my previous videos. So go ahead and look at my previous videos. So in my magic ring I should crochet 8 single crochets. So 1 single crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7 and 8 single crochets. Now I'll close my magic ring, and that's how you should start your square. And now I'm going to the second row, which is a bit different than the first one, and now we're going to make a edges. So we start as usual, the 1 single crochet in the first one, and then in the second stitch we're going to crochet 3 stitches in 1. So I make 3 stitches in 1, then 1 single crochet in a second stitch and 3 single crochets in a second stitch. And the same pattern we do by the end of the row. So as you can see, I made like a triangles that looks like a 3 things. It means that I should crochet 3 single crochets in 1 stitch. Yeah, and that's how it should look like my second row. It still doesn't really look like a square, but if you follow the same pattern you will get this. So now I'm starting with 2 single crochets, then 3 single crochets in 1, and then again 3 single crochets in 1 stitch, and no, 3 single crochets. So first of all, I'm starting with 2 single crochets in 2 different stitches, and then I'm making 3 single crochets in 1 stitch, then 3 single crochets in 3 stitches in 3 different stitches, and then 3 stitches in 1. So 3 stitches, you kind of make a edges by 3 single crochets, and you won't see pretty much of a perfect square in your first 3 rows, but then you will see it more clearly as of my last row. And that's how I finished my 3rd row. And now we're going to the 4th one. 4th row is going to be, so I'm starting with 3 single crochets. So as you can see, I'm going up like this from this row, 3 single crochet, then 3 single crochets in 1, as you can see. Then I made 5 single crochets and then 3 single crochets in 1. So as you can see, you should follow my pattern that I drew on my sheet. So yeah, you can find a lot of patterns like this and more. I will show you in my next videos, so wait for it. And or if I already have my videos, you should follow my channel and look for my videos or watch my previous videos, because you will also find it really useful for you if you're a beginner. So follow my channel. And yeah, so yeah, as you can see, it's really easy how to make a square, because I usually size squares that are with a lot of dots in it, and they're not kind of like it has a lot of holes in it. And then this pattern you won't see any holes, so you can use this pattern for carpets or a lot of different things that you would need. Maybe you can make from these squares like maybe scarf, I don't know. You can use them for anything, for sweater, for anything. And as I follow my pattern, in the next video I crochet, as you can see at the beginning, I crochet 4 single crochets, then 3 single crochets in one, and then I crochet 7 single crochets, and then 3 single crochets in one. So you should just follow my pattern, and as you would see, I just add by 2 single crochets every single row. So as it was 3 single crochets before, and then in the next row it was already 5 single crochets in between, and now it's 7. So 5 plus 2, 7 more single crochets, and in the next row it's gonna be 9 single crochets and then 3 single crochets in one. So yeah, I think it's a perfect square, don't you think? For me it's perfect, so you can use it for anything, and it doesn't have a lot of holes in it, which is perfect. But I also love granny squares, which I'm gonna show you in my next videos if I already have them. Just look in my channel, follow my channel, because I promise you will find a lot of interesting and useful stuff. So yeah, that's how I finish my perfect square. And yeah, that was my last row, and I'm saying in the next row it's gonna be 9 single crochets in between, and now on like this. But for you to understand, so when you crochet 3 single crochets in one, it kind of makes like a triangle. So there's 1 single crochet in between 2 single crochets, and if you look carefully you would see these 3 single crochets in one. So it's really easy to get where you should do your next 3 single crochets in one. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel and write me a comment what you think. So bye.